I'm going to show you how you can create a free landing page or store with Gumroad. So this is the home tab, but you can create products, say ebooks, courses, memberships, or say a free PDF to sort of be as a lead magnet for your customers. Then you can do emails. That's all integrated within the platform. You can also do automated emails with workflows, track your sales and analytics. The only thing with Gumroad is that you can't change the look of it. It is sort of very defined to how Gumroad wants it to look. Another thing is that it doesn't look like you can capture somebody's first name in their email. But considering it's free, and say if you don't want to use beacons, this is another great option. Also, any products that you put on Gumroad, if somebody goes to the platform Gumroad, they can actually search for your product there as well. So you could potentially get sales through the platform itself. If you don't want to use Gumroad, but you want to try out beacons, I'll leave a link to the video where I've gone and reviewed beacons.